What's up, y'all? Day 42, coding every day. We're gonna do the daily leak code and then work on the little Git project for a little bit. Except this might be a shorter one because I'm kind of trying to grind out some application stuff, and I realized I did not do the assessment for Epic that I needed to do, which is obviously not good. So yeah. What's up, John? So yeah. We are going to look at this. We have a 2D array points of size n times 2 representing integer coordinates of some points on a 2D plane. Where points at I is x of I and y of I. Count the number of pairs of points A, B, where A is the upper left side of B, and there are no other points in the rectangle or line they make, including the border. What does this mean? There are no other points in the rectangle. So all the other ones as well. So they have to be distinct. Don't do the epic assessment. It's like a 1 hour IQ. Dude. Fuck off. I don't want to do that. Ugh. I hate. Bro, I'm like pretty sure that's why I got fucking nuked out of Capital One for the behavioral thing. Not the IQ part, because like those ones were easy problem solving. But like it's like a range, and it's like I like to work in stressful environments, or like I like relaxed environments. Yeah, bro. The virtual job tour, bro. Because I got like 600 out of 600 on the OA, and then I got auto rejected, and it's like, okay, so I'll go fuck myself. You just wanted me to. The thing is, I don't even know what the correct answers are to those. Like, I don't know what they want. It's like, I'll just go fuck myself. Like, how do you answer that? How do you answer that in a way they want? I don't know. I actually don't know. Yeah, I think that's what I fucked up. I don't know. I definitely like swapped, and that was my undoing. Which like, okay, like whatever. It's not like I was gonna fucking get the thing anyway. Okay. Let me go back over here. Startup's definitely easier. Yeah. I don't know. I'm at like a fucked point where it's like I want a company that has like a strong name value, but I simply just am not good enough to get one, or good enough in the way of like my resume is just shit right now. So it's like, it's frustrating to where I actually just don't know what my resume can get me, which is a scary spot to be in, you know? Because like, I can keep doing these cool projects, like re-implement Git and stuff, but realistically, none of them top NU Food as a project, and it's not like I can get more experience. Like, I'm doing another part-time internship, which is more experience, so like I am doing that. But like, I don't know. I'm not like active. I don't have time to do research, and I really don't have a project that'll be like, wow, you know? Like, I'm taking OS, so like I'll be able to put OS on it now. But I don't know. Whatever. It's a tiny rant over. So this just seems like we need a way to figure out how to sort for like the top left ones. And then like anyways. I don't want like a web project. I don't want to do web stuff though. Like that's not what I want to be doing. which kind of sucks because like it's just all the experience that I have. Also, what I'm thinking is we need to find a way to sort. That's true. I do want to do backend stuff, but like I always envision that as more like when you say web project, I imagine it's full stack. Like obviously, I spent way more time and did no AI code for the back end of AnyFood. I used AI for the front end, and it's like I don't know. Is that a back end project? Like, kinda, but no. Yeah, anyways, we should sort based on like get them in the top left, because then what we can do is we can keep iterating. Like essentially what we would have is like, how would this get sorted? How would I sort this actually? Because I was thinking like you iterate until you find a next one. So no need to do front end, but honestly it's valuable. You know, I know it's valuable information. I've done the experience. Like I know what to do. It's just like I don't know. I fear with every project I'm casting myself more to just being a web developer every day. And it's like, is that inherently bad? I don't know, but it's also I don't know, I'm not doing like a GolfONet compiler as my project, so like what am I doing? I need to like lock in if I'm gonna do something. What order do these come in? They don't come in any order. Is front end really that? Yeah. See, like that's Sean. I don't know, and I don't think so because also, if I were to do another like full stack type project, I'm fully gonna vibe code the front end. I don't care. You know. Like I still think sorting to make like this the first thing we're iterating because I think like sorting and then just 2 pointers is like the way to do this. You know what I'm saying? I guess. Because the thing is, like, we can 2 pointer it because as soon as we find, like, as soon as we find this point doesn't matter from the perspective of the top left. So we've moved our left pointer to be this, and then our right pointer would be that. I think that's right. Your online class? Holy fuck. So are you doing fully remote classes, Shaman? Poorly. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense, John. Makes sense. How can I like that makes sense. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm in same here, brother. I kind of fully just I don't know. I just don't care to learn I mean front end stuff. Okay, so like what would I expect for this? Okay, so that's the correct order that I want. Just want to make sure this is exactly what I want. I would want 1, 3, then I'd want 1, 1, then I'd want 3, 1. Cool. Left equals 0. Something like this. Dun, 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 dun. Good backend dev would notice. Just keep making APIs, bro. That's fair. I mean, I can see that. I don't know. Like, I see your point. It's just that, like, I don't know. Every time I think about making, like, another web app, it's like I'm just killing myself by casting myself to web dev. I don't know. I mean, like, fucking. In another vein, though, like, am I just inherently not skilled enough to do, like, the shaman route of, like, just fuck it, just get cracked, just get the job? Because, like, none of the jobs I've gotten are from, like, cold applying. What do I have to check here? If points at R less than points at L 0 L equals R, continue. The best bet, thanks you. You say web dev, do you mean front end? Yeah. Like, I feel like so much of it is just full stack stuff now. Works on data pipelines, LLM agents, and networking. This is all kind of randomly assigned. Yeah, but, like, I'm saying, like, you get, like, I don't know. There has to be something inherently about my resume or experience that is just, like, literally getting me auto-rejected from every possible spot that I, like, actually want to do. And it's just, like, it's so unbelievably frustrating. Like, I don't know. I'm at the point of, like, I'm just going to give up. And just, if I have to be a web dev, I'll be a web dev, and I'll be a fucking good one. Okay, so if we're ever, essentially this check is just like, you know, when our sorted thing became like here. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense. If our R it should be if our R1 is greater than our L1, then we know we can move. If you want to learn backend skills with little front end, you should consider building an MPA. I don't even know what an MPA is, brother. Case where our point is higher. If points R0 is less than L0, that should actually never be the case because we're sorting ascending. So I don't think I need this check. So if our point is greater and R1 is less than, oh, we're already checking that. So actually this is fine. Then res plus equals 1, L becomes our R. Does our L become our R though, or do we need to reiterate? I think we need to reiterate. No? No, we do jump. We do jump. Because imagine we connect these two. So this is considered a box. Or actually, how would this be? It would be some case where so it'd be like our dot, like a dot is up here. Imagine that. Just coding, like what do you get after learning it? Any more type of like software engineering job? Shaman, you know I already did a JSON parser project. I don't know if you do know that, but I did do that. GovSPA versus... Oh, yeah, okay, it's just multi-page, I got you. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking I should do some info. Following your steps? What the fuck are you talking about, Shaman? I should be actually the dead last steps anyone follows as to how to get a job. I think I moved the L to the R. No, maybe not, because there could be cases like this, where it's like we have to move. So our L would be here, then our R would be here, that's invalid. We'd go to here, this is a valid box. And then this one's, say, like up here. And then this could also be a valid box, so we'd have to go backwards. But would our R ever be also behind. I mean, yeah, trivially, I could just add it here. Is this not just going to always be n squared? I can't find a clever way to do this. What's our size? Can I n squared this? Oh, I so can n squared this. Network error. What? Do I have a network error? No. Database design? Yeah, I could do that. I mean, it's just like a bunch of projects. It's like I need to learn it, but like, how is that gonna help me get the job? I don't know. Like, I just don't know if I have time to make something like actually real. Still 0. Why? Oh, because I just am not doing the check right. The fuck? Um. There has to be a better way to do this. Whatever. That makes no sense. What are you saying? Just worked at restaurants on and off and code 4 days a week. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't know. I just don't have the time for that this quarter. I'm gonna have part-time 20-hour job, 4 full-time classes, with one of them being OS, which is just gonna fucking kill me, and then recruiting season. And then I have a different other desk job that I'm the manager for, so I can't just quit. So, I don't know. Kind of fucking myself. Get farther than you'd think if you stick to one thing, though. That's true. I mean, if I find a project I want to sink my teeth into, I will, but unfortunately, I just have not in a while. So if the R pointer is higher and they're not equal to each other, Yeah, I'm definitely going to use the OS project for sure. For sure, for sure. Put projects with aura. Dude, Shaman, you've seen my resume. My resume has negative aura. It's like it's like this needs to be all plus one. That was my issue. Uh, it's like flirt. You know, have you seen like the flirting versus harassment? Like this is me, bro. I'm harassment. You're flirting. Fuck, that's actually so funny. Aura-driven development. I fuck with that so heavy, actually. All right, let's see if I time out. What? Did I just not break? I'm gonna need a tracker because my hypothesis did not work. Maybe I can just keep like a constraint tracker. Like, do I keep track of like an upper left chord? I don't know. Whatever. I did need to do that. Holy fucking shit, man. Yeah. Yeah. Just fucking. This is more similar to what I was doing. Let me just fucking see if there's a GPT. Is that close to solving this? sure you just have to put I use Arch, by the way. Bro, you know, there was an iteration of my GitHub profile that was I use NeoVim plus Ghosty, by the way, or something. Like, some fucking cringe shit. The problem is you have a girlfriend and no one will believe you. Oh my fucking god. Oh, fuck me, that's funny. Yeah, this makes sense, actually. Because you're always drawing the boxes. And then you can keep drawing them upwards. Because, like, imagine a scenario where you have, like, actually, how does this work? Because this would draw to here. And this would draw to here. But that'd be invalid because they'd intersect. No, that would be valid. It'd be fine. Ah, fuck. I was thinking the boxes couldn't intersect. It said it can't contain a point. Oh, fuck me. Okay, yeah. All I needed to introduce was that's a max R. What's up, man? Wrong answer still. Why is it still wrong? One 52055. What does that look like? So we'd have like 1 5 1 5 2 0 5 5. How is this 2 actually? What's up, man? I use leetcode. Go to settings, code editor, Vim. How is this? Oh, because we consider. How does my code not get that actually? Should be that. So if the height is greater and it's not together, continue. Else. Oh, I think I need to put this and over here. Else if r is equal to yeah. can just do that instead. No, why? Why? This is so stupid. What the fuck am I missing? You can do that? I don't know why mine isn't working, actually. I'm taking so long on this problem, I really shouldn't. It's 1 in the morning. Actually, I don't care. I don't see where I'm going wrong. Is it actually, is it this? No, because if the right one's above and they're not equal, I still think that's fine. So we only get the case of that. We don't get 5, 5 and 1, 5, but why? Because I still have the break. I'm a fucking idiot. What am I doing? Oh my lord. I know you're failing. Please work. Okay. Fuck it, that took me way too long. I had the red idea, like, off rip. Anyhow. Today, we're going to be doing some hash object stuff. Do I remember what we were doing? Not really. Not really at all, actually. Actually, no, I do. So we need to read in the file. So we already have a content. So we just need to figure out how to include so we can zlib I mean, if you want a thumbnail or banner so I can help you. Hey, try not to spam, Big Dog. I appreciate the offer. I mean, if you want to make a banner, I won't. I apologize, but I won't pay for it. Actually, no, you're just spamming. I'd appreciate it if you didn't spam, brother. Compressed buffer size is the compress bound. Of the length plus 1. And then we create a thing of byte. What are bytefs? Fuck is that? Oh, okay. Fuck me. This is a block of text. My God. Python full stack have more openings than Java full stack? I'd say it's about similar. I don't think you'll go wrong either way. So I'll just take in the string actually. So we do long F, compressed buffer size. This much makes sense. And then create our vector of byte f. Of size, compressed buffer size. Press. We need to cast this to const byte f for the compressed data. Does that make sense to me? Actually, yeah, that does make sense to me. So if press res not equal to z, okay. Then else we just return our compressed data, right? So hypothetically, I need this to be a string, not byte f. Oh, okay. Can I typecast it? How do I do this inline? So string pressed file content. equals press file. We'll do compress, or no, we have to do shit to find. That's, I have nothing suspicious in my history, but opening that on stream is scary. And as such, I will not be doing it. Bum, bum, bum. Where is that? I should really just pin this git thing. Git. We need to like append blob, right? Oh, goddammit, where is it? I think, yes, yeah, it's %D, all right. I was just scared. Compress file content. Why can this not work? Oh, I need a buffer? You're fucked in the head, actually. Say, do I? No. Let's do this. And then header. Okay, let's try this. Oh, that's because I need to add the linker commands, right? Okay. I mean, this is content. Oh, God damn it. Valid character. Okay. It's not great. Don't love that. Why? Why? Oh, God. Oh, do I need to run the deflated content? Oh. I just want whatever the fuck I was just at. Why does it compress it and decompress it though? Git compresses the new content. With the zlib. Finally, you'll write your zip deflated content. No, so we don't uncompress it. But also apparently header plus content. Oh, so my header is actually just wrong. The blob should come all the way up here. And this should be content. That should be changed to store. And then like, what does deflate do? So I'm just doing the wrong thing. So that's what they're doing. They initialize a stream. All right. Okay, so it's grabbing a pointer to the beginning and saying, this is the available input. Then allocate a bound. And then deflate until the stream. I mean, sure. I'm just gonna yoink it. See if that helps anything. It's just like the same stuff. Don't want to be. It's not on content, it's on the store. And then we want to be writing just compressed file content. Also should make sure that it's overwriting. Oh, it did make a new file, okay. How does cat file work? So I just want to know, like, how can I verify that this thing is actually working? I want to like test the output. Like, how can I test if this fucking thing works? I'm gonna need to know how cat file works, actually. I think we would just like actually just no fucking clue why this shit is not working. Fuck me. I feel like I'm following the steps correctly. Whatever. I think I'm gonna call it here. Unfortunately, too tired. I haven't been able to stream earlier in the day. I'm just spending a lot of time with my grandparents helping them, so alas, if I find time tomorrow, I'll try to read and figure this stuff out, but yeah. Hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day. If you guys could, like my LinkedIn post, that'd be cool. Or connect with me on LinkedIn. Join our Discord. It's a cool place. See you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your night.